My name is Kwanele Tusi and I'm all the way from South Africa. I am a youth leader and thank you so much, Youth Assembly, for this invitation. I want to talk about the barriers that young people are facing when it comes to education. I'm going to start with my story. I grew up in KZN, which is a rural area in South Africa. And because my parents were not able to afford my first year in tertiary, I did not study up until I got my own job. I used to work as a bartender and also as a waiter just to make an income so I can get an education. And this is where we find ourselves. We find ourselves in a situation where we now need to redesign and secure or even reshape the policies that are already existing. I won't speak on South Africa alone, but I'll speak as a global youth leader. I think investing in rural education, funding teacher training, and also expanding financial aid and conditional cash programs is the way to go. We need to also close the digital divide and include young voices. We need to have safer classrooms. We need to have access to resources. And this can only happen when we start redesigning the curriculum and also the system that we have not only in South Africa but also in other schools. We can learn from other countries in Europe and other countries across the board on how we can collectively shape each other. And just like my story, because of the fact that I was not able to study did not stop me. Right now, I am a global leader in not just my province, in Gauteng, but also a provincial coordinator working with thousands of children every single month. Every single time, we give them programs that are able to upskill them and give them all the opportunities that they've never had. I hope that I can make it to Amsterdam, and this will be a testament that education is the key to unlocking everyone's potential.